Hello everyone, this is my first weekly Forex video, so have patience. But basically I'm going to go over the 16 pairs I'm looking forward to trade the next week. Real quick, all these setups are also going to be posted on my TradingView page and my Instagram, so stay tuned to that. But anyways, let's go over these markets. I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, let's do this. So, US oil. I'm obviously got its ass kicked this last Friday, as gold and oil did as well. But anyway, we are approaching this weekly level over here, which is what, the 55. This level over here, looking for it to respect the trend line and to keep going up. I mean, if we see some candlestick confirmation. Monthly chart, I mean, it was barely, that could be an inside bar, basically continuation panel to come all the way up to here. So I'm still very bullish on oil, just because I think it's a little too low right now. So we might see some retracement before going back up. Let's go back to the daily. But the thing is, this level over here is also like damn it. It's also a weekly level as well. So, I mean, I think price is just going to mess around with this area for a little bit. So I think it'll be this range bound. But I still see it being bullish. I mean, but I could be, I don't want to be wrong, but we go to the 4-hour chart. You see this double top right here? Beautiful pin bar. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better freaking setup than this. But anyway, I mean, these are trades I freaking had, and I closed them out like a moron. But whatever, I have to get over that. Anyway, so the only way I will short this pair, I'm looking for the pair to come over here and then to shoot right back up. Damn it. Anyway, to pair come down here, I'll get another arrow to shoot here and then back up. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay, delete this shit. Sorry, TradingView has its flaws. So I'm looking to go long here. Now, if price does break this trend line, the only way I will go short is if I see a break of this, which is, what is this? I say the $55 area. If price breaks down, come back up, and then we'll short. Obviously, price can just break down and shoot down, of which, if it does, and it doesn't retest, then if price breaks down here and it just shoots straight down here and doesn't retest, then we're looking for long opportunities around this area. This would be like the 51.50, 51 area. So that is my prediction. I'm still pretty bullish on oil. So we'll see how it plays out. Obviously, it's Sunday today. No trades will be placed until tomorrow morning. So that is my view for oil. Next pair is gold. Sorry guys, these pairs whooped my ass this week. Whooped my ass in both regards to, I shorted gold and silver and I closed them out last week, and then I went long and I blew my account. But anyways, we're not gonna talk about that. So gold was really short on the monthly chart. We go here. So we saw this rejection candle. So I'm still looking for gold to retrace and to go back up. Let's go to the weekly. And you see this bearish engulfing candle. So this level over here is important. So I'm looking for gold to come down to here and then just to go back up again. Obviously, we see some candlestick formations, but it can also keep dropping. So let's go to the daily chart. It did break this trend line. delete that. So I'm looking for a retest before going short. But again, like oil, if price comes down to here, then we'll be looking for long opportunities. So like I said, price shoots straight down to this level, and we see some rejection, we can go long all the way up to here. So that's that. And silver, it's going to be the same thing. Silver is our next pair. So anyways, oil, gold, and silver are, we're all looking for retracement entries to go long. But the main buy, I mean, these things took a hit though. So we go to the monthly chart, right? So price can, I mean, it could come down to here. It's still, these last 2 months have been pretty bearish, but we can also get a retracement. We go to the, so we go to the weekly chart. This is a monthly chart I drew the retracement on. Again, guys, sorry, this is my first video, so if this is the first time I'm doing this. So if it seems is a little off, they'll only get better. Again, like the video is just explaining how I look at it, but all my setups will be put on TradingView, which will be a lot easier to analyze it there. So anyways, this is a really at the 50 fib level on the weekly chart. Now we can see a retracement, which what I'm looking for, which if traders have entered this short according to, quiet, stupid dogs, according to the 50% retracement entry, then price is going to come back up here and then go back down again. But I'm still looking to go long on this pair. I unfortunately went long at the wrong time last week, so this is where we're looking for a long and then a retest and then short. So that's what we're trying to do here. Let me delete this stupid thing. So that's what I'm looking to do. Go long, bounce back, back down. So my main focus is just a short silver for now, but you know, we're going to see how the week plays out. But that's it. Oil, gold, and silver, we're looking for retests. And to continue the downtrend, except oil, which I'm looking to go long on. Now, next pair is Australian dollar, US dollar. At a major support level, so we're looking to long it, depending on what the market shows us this week. It is, if we go to the daily chart, it's also at daily support. Obviously, if it breaks through, we're looking for a breakthrough, a retest, and then back down. But right now, I'm still looking to go long, just like I'm looking to short the British pound Australian dollar. So I'm looking to long the Australian dollar this week and to short everything against the Australian dollar, such as the Euro Australian dollar and the British pound Australian dollar. So some of these pairs I'm looking for them to come back up, like especially the Canadian dollar. I'm looking to come back up, but we'll get to that soon. New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar. Also, I'm looking for it to come down just a little more and then to bounce back up. Same thing with the Australian dollar. They move very similarly, so looking for Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar to go down just a little more, but then we're looking for a bounce back up. So you see we're approaching this level. It might come down to here. That's why we're going to wait for either pin bars in the daily candle around this area. You have to let the trade come to you, you know. So that's very important. So we'll see what happens. This can be like this as well. But again, all these trades, we're going to let them play out for the week, which this probably actually looks even better. So that's that. So New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, I'm looking for them to gain some strength this week. We're going to go to the USDCAD now. Okay, you see, so again, I'm looking for the Canadian dollar to gain strength. I'm looking for the USDCAD to come back down. British pound, Canadian dollar, I'm looking to come down, and euro, Canadian dollar. Everything against the Canadian dollar, I'm looking to go down. We go to the daily. What a week. I was freaking, what a week. So we're approaching a daily support, a daily resistance level, sorry. So we're going to see how price reacts to this. But on the 4-hour chart, it looks like it's going to come down. We do have a loss of momentum here. But again, that's towards the end of the week. That was towards the end of the week. So it could just be traders taking their profits, but they probably still want to break through. Obviously, with these kinds of, with all kinds of trades, you're looking for price to hit a level, go back down. But if it does break through, let it hit your stop loss. Using proper risk management, you can take advantage of the breakout, the retest, and then go in that direction, and then you'll make your money back and then some. So this is why you have to use proper risk management and proper lot sizes, because you don't want to make the mistake I made where you have it all on the line. So you should be winning more than you lose. As a trader, you really shouldn't have a losing month. That means you're doing something wrong. Even when you lose a trade, you should be able to make your money back right away and then some, if played properly. This is why I also recommend, guys, that you just, like this is my plan. So I'm not going to go to MetaTrader 4 and just look at the trades all day. I'm going to look at this because, one, I don't see my trade being played at, I don't see where my money is at the time. Like, stop looking at MetaTrader 4, use it to place your trades, but always come back to TradingView so you get reminded of your plan. Because like this, let's say you want to short it, but then we have a big candle up here on the 1 hour, the 4-hour chart. A lot of guys are going to close it because they're shitting their pants, not realizing that, hey, it can go up to this level, to this resistance, and then come back down. And you have to stick to your plan. And this is really going to calm you down. You got the arrows, so you have everything telling you where price is going to go. But anyways, next. Now, pairs against the Japanese yen are a little weird. I'm still going to draw it though. It is approaching a resistance level, but see this resistance level here? But price has been pretty freaking bullish with the Japanese yen. So I would really need something on the daily chart to tell me to go short, either pin bar or doji or a bearish engulfing candle. But to really use smaller time frames, we're still looking at it. Price can probably come down to this level and then go back up again. So this is something I'm really going to be looking on the daily chart. But as of now, if I were to trade this, I'll short it. I'll short it to around this area. See what the weekly chart shows. So even here, like you see, you're approaching a weekly zone here. So we got a rejection. It might be range bound for a little bit. And this is why when you place your trades, guys, like, let it run for days if it has to. Either let it hit your stop loss or take profit. If you want to close half of it when it's like 50 pips in profit, go ahead. But don't close a whole trade out early, because I'm telling you, you're going to kick yourself in the ass. Don't place a trade Monday morning and then close it out freaking Monday afternoon just so you can take a picture of it and put it on Instagram. Listen, I was that idiot too, so don't worry about it. So I'm looking to short this. I'm not confirming that I am. I'm looking to. Australian dollar, Canadian dollars next. Bam. Same thing. I'm looking for price to go up and then back down. So this is my setup for that. I probably wouldn't touch this yet, just because price has been a little choppy. So again, like, look at this. I'm waiting for it to approach this level here. I think we go to the hourly chart and see what we see. I wouldn't even trade this on the hourly, just because the last few hours of Friday, price shot up. So I'm looking to only short it when it comes up here. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Swiss franc is next. So I'm looking along this. It is approaching a level. So we're probably going to see this week price come down, then form a pin bar this week. So don't look to trade it this week maybe, unless we see something amazing. But this is a level here, so we can see a pin bar forming sometime this week on the daily chart, and then we'll take it all the way up. So it still will have to break this level before I'm thinking about going short. But we'll see what happens. Again, we're relying on Australian dollar strength. And anyways, this is why I say you have to look at pairs and ask yourself which one's weak, which one's strong. So we're looking at the Swiss franc to drop. And I will tell you why in a second. So pairs against the Swiss franc, I'm looking to long, like the Australian dollar Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Actually, this sucks. Actually, I'm going to have to take that back. I do apologize. The Swiss franc might be, like I said, guys, we have to really look at what this week shows us. That was really bearish. Okay, so we might be approaching this level before I take this long. So don't look at this. I don't think I'm straight as Swiss franc this week. We'll see what happens. So we're probably going to look at price come down to here, and then I'll long here. So who knows? I think that, well, it looks like the Swiss franc's going to be strong this week. Anyway, guys, I'm just talking. Again, all these setups are going to be put on TradingView. But this is, again, the first time me doing a live video on this, so have patience. Anyways, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's do this one. Looking to long this. I'm going to see how price reacts at this level. It's hitting another support level soon. We got the trend line going. Looking to long the Canadian dollar. The Swiss franc. Japanese yen. Oof, that's a nice bearish formation right here. That is beautiful. So, we got to look at these. So this is going to be a very interesting week. It's going to be a great week, actually. So we're approaching a support zone. So actually, the Swiss franc might get a little more strength, but I still think it's going to drop. And like I said, all these Japanese yen pairs right now, they all pretty much look the same. So really, it's just going to be about patience and letting the market tell us what's going to happen and not guessing. Because we could do these weekly reviews all we want, but you have to let the market play out during the week. So Swiss franc, Japanese yen, I'm looking for some type of bearish candlestick formation before going short. If it breaks through, obviously. If it breaks through, obviously. I don't know, this looks good though. And sometimes, you know, let's say we want to take this short. It could probably come down to here and go back up. So it really is wise to close half of your trade in profit. Obviously, we'll be talking about that in the Telegram group when we think it's wise to. So that's what it is. Because sometimes you just don't want to hold your whole position, and then it comes down to here, and then it comes and takes your stop loss out. Like, you could have made money off of that. So we're just trying to build our accounts. Not trying to predict the market 100%. You're just trying to ride the tail of giants and go with it. EURCAD is next. Same thing as a USDCAD. We're looking for rejection and then shorting. But if price continues its bullish trend, we're looking for the breakout, the retest, and the long on this. EURCAD is the same as a USDCAD. Euro, New Zealand dollar. Again, we're looking for New Zealand dollar strength. I was long on this last week. Fuck. And I closed it out like over here. Like a moron. Anyway. So we're looking for some confirmation on the daily. Actually, let's remove all this crap. But who knows? Price can come back to up here. So we'll see what happens. The market will tell us what to do. So we're looking at these levels. These are important levels. There we go. But I really would like to short this thing. We could probably be shorting the crap out of the euro this week as well, along with the British pound. So these would be two positions I'm looking to open this week. Jesus. That's the euro, New Zealand dollar. A few more pairs, guys. British pound again. But the British pound has been super strong, man. It's been a stubborn son of a bitch. But look at this. Beautiful, beautiful zone. So I'm looking for just a little bit of range, and then that is nice. Let's look at the monthly. Man, it was a pretty bullish month, so we probably can get some retracement where we can make some money. But we could short this. We could be looking to short the British pound. And also managing the trade properly along the way. So we see a price is getting weak. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks good. But again, British pound is, look at all these wicks. It's a very stubborn pair. But when it moves, it moves. Anyway, same thing with the GBP, Canadian dollar. You see this? These pairs are like, they're all over the place sometimes. This is why you got to trade them off the higher time frames. So we're looking to come up here. Yeah, because we do this. Yeah, no. This is, I would only short this pair if I'm shorting other British pound pairs. So, but I'm not even looking at this chart for technicals just because nothing makes sense. Only this level really. But if I see the British pound USD go down, the British pound Australian dollar go down, I'm probably going to short this one as well, especially if I see the Canadian dollar go up. But if the British pound continues this bullish trend, I'm not going to even touch it. And then the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Again, like the, damn it, what the hell was I saying? Like the Australian dollar Swiss franc, same thing. Looking for a bounce and a bounce back up. Price has been bearish. Well, we'll see how this goes. And last but not least, the euro British pound, which I'm looking to short. So we go to the daily. Oh, that's what I was doing. We're looking for a retest and then continuing our short, a short position to around this level. So you see this rejection off this daily level, which is nice. So we could be shorting this. So I'm going to see how it is on Monday morning during the London session. Man, this trading view is annoying. So something like that. We're going to take price down. But if it wants to be a dickhead and break through, again, we go back to what we always do. We wait for the retest and then we go long again. But I'm looking to go down. Again, this pair could be stubborn, but when it moves, it moves. So we'll see how that goes. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I apologize if I seemed all over the place. All these trades are going to be on my Trading View page, on my Instagram. So if you have any suggestions on how I can improve this, how can I improve my page, if you have any ideas, please post them on the Telegram group. And thank you so much for watching. Remember, stick to your plan. Don't place any trades on Sunday. I mean, if you want to, you're going to do what you want to do. But we're going to wait for tomorrow morning or even tomorrow Monday close to place some trades. Again, the market, there's a lot of opportunity. We're going to see a lot of things happen. and let's capitalize off this opportunity and make some money. Use proper risk management. Don't be an idiot. Don't gamble. Do what's right and be a good person. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Also, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe and review my daily analysis throughout the week. Share the Telegram group. Continue to study like the Candlestick Trading Bible. Go through your charts. Always study. Remember, this is your instrument. This is like your piano. This is like your rifle. This is like a guitar. This is like your basketball or soccer ball. This is your instrument for success. Study it, fall in love with it, become obsessed with it, because we're going to make a lot of money this year. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. And thank you for all your support.